is the new DeltaOne amenity kit, and I'm here in Rome, Italy, and I'm gonna unbox this thing with you so you can see it. It literally just came out, and it's just hitting DeltaOne now, and so it's I think it's a lot nicer than the last one. It's got a nice little embossed cover, Masoni. And I'm going to show you what's inside. A nice little design. It's got a nice feel. It feels a lot classier than the last one. A little note from Masoni. You get a little QR code with, I'm sure, a little bit more information. Let me try to open that up. You've got a nice sleep mask. And this is lotion and lip balm. It's from the old one. It's the same one. It's from Grown Alchemist. Got some earplugs. Got a nice little Delta pen. Toothbrush and some toothpaste. Environmentally friendly, of course. And something new that they used to put in are these socks. Please don't wear these in the bathroom. Please, please, please don't do that. That is disgusting. And when I see that, it is just grosses me out, because as much as we clean them, they're still bathrooms. Don't go in the bathroom in your socks. But anyway, you've got socks. Nice little logo on the back of the socks. And a nice little kit if you want to use it for something else. And so that is the unboxing of the new Masoni DeltaOne amenity kit.